Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Meet, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you invite a new participant into your Google meeting? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to invite someone into your Google meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to be doing sales calls or other interviews in a Google meeting, but sometimes you want to invite a new customer or maybe a new observer into the Google meeting itself. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google meeting call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a Google meeting, so this is a live call. So I'm the only one in this meeting. But if you want to invite somebody else directly into the call, you're going to click on this little person icon down here on the bottom right. Once you do that, you want to click on this blue Add People button. Once you do that, Google's going to make a couple of suggestions based off people you've emailed recently. If not, you want to go ahead and click in here and then just type in the name of the email that you want to invite in. Okay, once you've typed in their email, you want to click on Send Email. Okay, once you sent that out, they're going to receive an email inviting them into your Google meeting, so they can easily just click on the link and then they'll be added into your Google meeting. If you don't want to email out the invitation and you simply just want to add somebody in right away, you can go ahead and click on this little information button here on the bottom right, and then you can go ahead and copy the join link, and then you can go ahead and text it or email it over to the other participant, and they can just click on the link and join right in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to invite a new participant into your Google Meet meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.